In this video, we will be solving a word problem modeled by systems of equations. Now, a vendor sells hot dogs and bags of potato chips. Now, one customer buys 5 hot dogs and 4 bags of chips, costing that customer $17. And then another customer comes along and buys 2 hot dogs and 3 bags of potato chips for $9.25. So find the cost of each item. Now, the first thing you need to do after reading the problem carefully is to assign variables. So here we have 2 items. We have hot dogs and we have potato chips. So we can let X be the hot dogs and we can let Y be a bag of potato chips. The next thing we're going to do is to set up our system of equations. So write our equations. So translating the first customer, that customer bought 5 hot dogs. So remember, hot dogs is X, so that would be 5X. Plus that customer also bought 4 bags of chips. And remember, chips is Y, so that's 4Y. And that equaled $17. Customer number 2 bought 2 hot dogs, so that's 2X, plus 3 bags of potato chips, that's plus 3Y, and that totaled or equaled $9.25. So there are our 2 systems of equations. So now all we have to do is to solve them. So here are our systems of equations. We can solve by substitution or elimination. Let's go ahead and use the elimination method. And we're going to go ahead and choose to eliminate our x's since they're closest to the edge. It may be easiest to access. We're going to go ahead and multiply the top and the bottom of the equations by their opposites of coefficients. So I would multiply the top equation by -2 and multiply the bottom equation by 5. By doing so, we are then able to eliminate our x's. So when we rewrite the equation after we distribute it, it should look like so. We go ahead and draw our line and begin the adding process. We are left with 7x equals 1225. What is the next step to solving this? That's correct. Divide each side by 7 and y equals $1.75. So remember, y is the bag of chips. So our bag of chips cost $1.75. Now, how do we find out the price of our hot dogs? Well, all we have to do is to plug the price of the chips in, which is the value of y, into either equation to find the value of x, which is the hot dogs. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so again, to find the value of x, we need to plug in y into either equation. Let's go ahead and plug it into equation number 2. So into equation number 2, I'm going to remove the y and replace it with $1.75. So when I do that, it looks like so. 3 times $1.75 equals $5.25. Next step to solving this equation is to subtract $5.25 from each side. Last step to solving is to divide by 2, and x equals $2. So the hot dog cost $2. Now we can check and verify that our answer is correct of a hot dog costing $2 and a bag of potato chips costs $1.75 by simply taking these values and plug them back into the original equation, and if it checks out, then we know that our answer is correct. So plugging them both back in, we can see here that it does check. that the hot dog costs $2 and a bag of chips costs $1.75. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching Math on PowerPoint tutorials. If you liked this video and found it to be helpful in any way, please like it and subscribe to my channel.